Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, April 8th, 2021. Today, let me make this a little bigger. You're going to start your day off with your week 30 daily fix-it and possessive video number 2. Make sure you watch it carefully because we're going to begin practicing possessives very soon. Then for math today, you have extramath.org, like always, and afterwards, IXL.com. Today, you're going to be working on X10, X11, and X12. Ordering fractions. This is what we did in class yesterday. We put 3 fractions in order, and we did it from least to greatest or greatest to least. Make sure when you're ordering your 3 fractions, if you can remember the tricks, you can go ahead and do it without using the fraction bars. But if you start making some mistakes, open up your fraction bars and put the 3 fractions on your fraction bars so that you can compare. Then you can put them into the right order. This will help you because if you're comparing 1/2, 1/4, and 1/7, now you'll be able to see that 1/2 is the biggest and 1/7 is the smallest. Just remember to be careful because this one is the smallest even though the bottom is a big 7. That's because the more you cut it into, the bigger the bottom, the smaller the piece. We talked about that in class. So make sure to use your fraction bars so that when you're doing this and you're ordering your fractions, it will help you. Also, I will be watching you work on your IXL this morning. If you need any help, I will be on Zoom at 8:30 till 10 o'clock for any students that want to come on and do their work with me in the morning, and I can help you if you're getting stuck with anything. After you do your math, you have your spelling practice page 87 to do. Make sure you open it in Kami right here or right here. And we already did that one yesterday. So today you are putting the words under the correct sound, either OI for oi, OY for oi. Remember, we have 2 ways to spell oi, or ow and ow. We did 2 spellings for ow, OW and OU. Put the words in the correct spot. After spelling, we have a new type of assignment. It's called Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a website kind of like Padlet or Flipgrid. Edpuzzle is where you can go and watch a video. And I can make it so that the video asks you questions to answer, and then I see your answers. So when you go onto Edpuzzle, you're going to do these steps. Click it. You're going to click Log in with Google, like we usually do. Then you're going to press Join our class. And it should take you right to our class. Once you get there, there will be a video for you to watch called Children on the Oregon Trail because we're studying the Oregon Trail this week. When you're watching the video, it should look like this. See, here's the video, Children on the Oregon Trail. You're on Edpuzzle. When you're watching your video,
there were many hot days.
Excuse me.
Pioneer slept outside.
Oopsie. I'm moving this. It's going to stop in the middle of the video, and it's going to ask you a question. Right here, it says, tell one detail you learned about traveling on the Oregon Trail. You write your answer to the question here. If you don't know the answer, you can press rewatch, and it'll just rewatch the little part that you need to rewatch, which is great. So rewatch it, and then write it if you don't know the answer. I will see your answers to these questions when I go in here. I can look at my classes. I'm going to show you. I see the Oregon Trail. And I can see right here, I already had Morris and Ashley. And I can click on your name. And then it tells me your answers to the questions right here. So I will see what you put. So make sure you take a minute to write a great answer to practice your reading and your writing. That is Edpuzzle. You have to watch the whole video. It also tells me how much of the video you watched. Did you watch 100% of the video? I want to make sure you watch 100% of the video. Okay? That's how you do Edpuzzle. After you're done with your Ed Puzzle video, then you have your break, and then we have class. Today we're going to be starting our writing assignment about the Oregon Trail, and we're going to continue learning about fractions, but today we're going to be learning about fractions that are called equivalent fractions. It's a different type of comparing fractions. So I hope you're ready to continue becoming experts in fractions. Have a great morning, and I will see you all at 10 o'clock. Make sure you also have the password for me. The password is Missouri. Remember, Missouri is the state that the pioneers came from for the Oregon Trail. They left Missouri because the weather was bad and their crops were dying. The password is Missouri. See you at 10.